Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be discussing all this length, this hair. We're going to be doing a review on their 20-inch blowout clip-ins. So this is what the package looks like. It comes in this really nice orange satin bag, and in the bag there is your inches, your bundles. So in the bag, there's also an instruction manual that tells you some of the products that you can use, how to treat the hair, and just some recommendations that they have. So the hair that I got, the full description of the hair is that it is a 20-inch kinky blowout in the color number 1B. I think color number 1B matches really well with my hair. As you can see, it's pretty much the exact same hair color. So we're going to start off by following the instruction manual and just doing exactly as I was told to do by the instructions. So first it says that I need to apply warm water to the hair and wet the hair. Then I need to add a moisturizing cleanser, and then I need to apply a finger detangler and conditioner and then leave it in for a little bit. And then I need to apply a water-based styler and dry the hair with a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. So first I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like. So it comes in a few different sets. It comes with 5 clips, 4 clips, 3 clips, and 2 clips. So this is the hair here. The set that I got came with 10 pieces. So I'm going to start off by adding some warm water into a bucket, and I'm going to add the hair into the bucket and just wet the hair a little bit so I can start washing the hair. So after wetting the hair, I'm just going to get rid of the excess water, and this is when I sort of saw that we have a bit of a long journey ahead of us. So because the hair is color number 1B, there is a lot of dye left over, as you can see by my bucket here. So I tried really hard to make sure that this hair was super clean before I started putting it anywhere near my face or my hair. So I went through a lot of washes. So the shampoo that I will be using is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Conditioning Shampoo. With this shampoo, I really made sure that I lathered every single piece of hair in the bundle, and I really made sure that I washed it as much as possible. I think I did about 4 to 5 washes with shampoo before I moved on. By the time I got to applying the conditioner, the hair was still a little bit murky and still a little bit brown. I really could have stopped here, but I am a bit pedantic like that, and I really wanted the water to be clean. So I was gonna go and do an apple cider vinegar soak for the hair. For those of you who know, who've seen my apple cider vinegar video, you know that apple cider vinegar is a really good cleanser for hair. So I made sure that I did an apple cider vinegar rinse for this hair. So I put about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to maybe about 1 liter of water, and then this water was warm water, and I made sure that I soaked the hair for about 30 minutes. Then after soaking the hair, I went in with my Dark and Lovely All Natural Dream Clean 3-in-1 cleansing conditioner. If you guys saw my last video from last week, you will know that this conditioner really strips the hair, so this would be a great conditioner to help reduce that residue dye that was coming out. I washed the hair twice with this cleansing conditioner, and by the second time the water was clear, so I was ready to go. At this point, I dried the hair with my microfiber towel. Then I went in with the Dark and Lovely All Natural Plating Pudding. This is a water-based moisturizer as recommended by the information sheet. So I really made sure that all the hair was coated with this before I let the hair out to dry. So So the next day after the hair had air dried, it had a lot of curl definition. This is what the hair looks like. So to prepare my hair, I went in with a heat protectant just to protect my hair, because I will be adding heat to make sure that my hair is actually blown out. And I just went through and blow dried my hair. If you want to know how I blow dry my hair, there is a video on how I do this. After this, I began sectioning my hair to apply the clips in. So what I did was I sectioned the crown of my head sort of like in a circular dome, and I left that out, and then the rest of my hair I put into flat twists. So I put the back of my head into 5 flat twists that I joined together, similar to what you would do if you were going to wear a wig or put your hair in a weave, but obviously a little bit quicker. After that was done, I connected all the flat twists and made sure that they were secure, and then I started adding the clip-ins to the flat twists. Put 2 5 clips and 2 4 clips. Then I made sure that I separated a bit from my crown just to make sure that there is blending, and that just to make sure that my hair covers the clips so that you don't see the clips. The less hair that you use, especially with this hair texture type 4B, type 4C, the better it blends, because if you start using a bulk amount of hair, that's when it starts sticking up and it doesn't cooperate. Especially in this Melbourne humidity, my hair was just not cooperating. So after I'd done that, I put the crown of my head, that little top bit, in a bun, and I made sure that I put I made sure that I put 3 of the 2 clips on my hair and secured it in before I wrapped a bit of the hair around my hair. So after you've done that, you just got to make sure that you really blend it in and make sure that it's situated well in there. So this is what the hair looks like. Really easy, really cheap, really affordable. CurlsCurls is a factory store which provides hair that's a bit more affordable compared to other places, because it's a direct sale from the customers without any distributors influencing their own prices in there. Guys, how natural does this hair look? It legit looks like my own hair. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to comment down below and like the video if you like the video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week. Mwah.